bought this from ACK. It comes with your choice of mount. Today I got a flush mount. I'm not going to use this one today. I bought this one instead. The reason why I bought this is because I'm going to be adding 2 of these on both ends, and it's going to be holding my rods in the front of the boat with a triple mount. I want to install this Scotty mount 8 inches away from the side, right about there. That way when I put the triple mount, it's easy to rotate. And to drill the hole out, I'm going to be using this 1 1/4 inch drill bit. Inside here, there's going to be styrofoam, so it's going to get pretty messy. So right in the middle. And you don't want to drill all the way because you might end up on the other side. Okay, that's as far as I'll go, about like an 1.5 inches. The rest I'm just going to dig it out. I use my razor blade to open it up a little. Fits nice and snug. And just remember, have that arrow facing inboard. After I pre-drilled the holes, we're going to be using the rivets. And you're going to need a rivet gun. I'm going to add some Gorilla Glue. And I took off the top. I'm just going to pour it in there. What I'm going to do is just add a little bit of water and stir it up. Water activates the glue to foam up. I'm going to put some of this marine goop on the bottom of this plate. This works really quickly, so you want to mount it. Make sure you put the arrow facing inboard. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to pre-drill. So it won't move around. Stick this one in there so it doesn't move. I just pre-drilled the holes, and you just want to slip this in right here in the rivet gun and place it right into the hole. So make sure I got 2 in there before I pop the rivet. And this is not going to pop clean. See what I mean? This is where it left off. Now let me show you how to break it off. So I would just usually go like this. I hit it like that. Then I'll bend it back. Then I'll hit it again. And that's it. See, and that's how to take out the rivet. Nice and clean. Okay, so that's the installation for the Scotty mount. I hope they help, and we're ready to fish. I just finished installing 2 Scotty mounts. I wanted to have 6, so I ordered 4 more. I ordered a pack of 50 rivets. I got these from Austin Canoe and Kayak. I'm starting a new project right now, and I'm going to be installing these flush mounts. As you can see, I drilled a hole into the seats. Measured the base that you have to cut a hole at 1 3/8. Most times mine come out like that, and I would have to hit it with a hammer to break it off. And I would just bang it like this, and it'll come right off. And then what you want to do is hammer it in, and that's it. That's the only way I can do it. After I break off any extra rivets, I seal off the cap with this plastic dip. It comes in liquid form, and I just apply it on top and it hardens. Having a Scotty mount 8 inches away from the sides, I'm able to twist triple mount on here and use it for trolling shallow waters. I replaced the stainless steel wire with this braided line. If anything should happen, I can always cut the line off if I'm snagged on something. You got to be able to twist it around and clear this area so you can pop it loose. Having this mount flush, it doesn't get in the way when you need to sit down.